Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable 4-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you right here in Berkshire subdivision. This house not only has fabulous curb appeal, but it is also only 6 years old. So much to see, let's go take a look. This foyer is so cozy and charming. It's just a nice, welcoming space. And then we move on into the living area. But before we get there, I want to show you this nice surprise right here. So this is a large coat closet, but the current owners made great use of the space. Look at this very functional home office. And then when you're done, close the doors and it all goes away. All right, now we step into the main living area. This is a great space. It's really, really big in here. This sectional sofa is huge and there's still plenty of room all the way around. Now we've got this charming electric fireplace detail. It's got the nice architectural moldings. And then we've got this entire wall of windows over here to my left, just really providing lots and lots of natural light. We've got the 9-foot ceilings. We've got the espresso flooring. It's just warm, yet neutral, and feels very spacious. All right, now because of the open floor plan, we seamlessly just move right on into the kitchen. We've got this great breakfast bar. I love this about this floor plan. This is so functional because you can have additional seating all the way around. We've got the true 3-centimeter granite, the nice warm espresso cabinets, stainless appliances, and a pantry. Then we step right on into the dining area, and while there's currently seating for 4, this space could comfortably fit 6 people. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. Another really great thing about this house is the split floor plan. So before we get to the bedrooms, we're gonna stop at this bathroom. This is the shared and guest bath, and this is a really nice space. It's got the 9-foot ceilings, the 3-centimeter granite, and the espresso cabinets. It's got the tub and shower. Combination, spacious, and functional. Now we're gonna stop at the first of the 3 bedrooms. There is an incredible amount of space in these rooms. So you can see there's this big bunk bed, and then it's got the space underneath. There's room for a dressing table here. There's a game table over here with a craft area and a TV. Lots and lots of room. Then we head into bedroom number 2, and it's basically the same. There's this big bed and still so much room around it. Another thing I really like is that each of these rooms have a big closet. So in addition to having ample room in the actual space, you've got the closet as well. And of course, this is the 3rd of the 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. All right, let's go take a look at the primary. All right, now on the other side of this hallway is the primary suite. So now we're in the bedroom. Wow, I mean, look at the amount of space in here. This is a king-size bed. We've got 2 full-size nightstands and lots of furniture all the way around. I'm telling you, lots of additional space in here. Now we are in the primary bathroom. We've got this long vanity with the dual sinks. We have a huge soaking tub and a nice walk-in shower with 2 big closets and a linen closet. What's not to love about this? Let's go check out the rest of the house. All right, the next thing we're gonna go take a look at is the backyard. But before we do, I want you to see how conveniently located the laundry room is. Not only that, but lots and lots of space. And here's the door to your 2-car garage. All right, let's go take a look at the yard. Another really great thing about this house is this backyard. So it has this nice covered patio for entertaining or just hanging out in the yard. And then the yard itself is actually very spacious and fenced all the way around. This home has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.